CodeArts Repo. CodeArts Repo provides Git-based distributed code management and collaborative development capabilities, including member management, permission control, code hosting, code check, code review, code tracing, and continuous integration. It helps enterprises of different scales improve R&D quality and efficiency. Click the Repo menu item on the left. You can view and manage the list of the repositories on this page. As you can see, we have created separate repositories for the project's front-end, back-end, and database, and managing them centrally here. To create a repository, click the New Repository button at the top of the page. There are three methods to create a repository: Common, Template, and Import. You can create an empty repository using the Common option, generate one from a template with the Template option, or import from Git, SVN, or GitHub using the Import option. After creating the repository, you will be able to view the folder structure and the files. Additionally, you can easily edit files directly on the platform. You can also monitor your commits, branches, and tags. You can create merge requests to enhance code quality, promote collaboration, and ensure that the changes are thoroughly reviewed and validated before merging. You can configure merge conditions, designate mergers, reviewers, and approvers, as well as associate work items with the merge request. Under the Members tab, users have the ability to configure and manage the permissions of team members, allowing them to define roles and access levels for each individual within the repository. This ensures that appropriate access rights are granted based on each team member's responsibilities, facilitating better collaboration and security.